Welcome to 192 Railway Terrace, Merrylands. My name is Joseph Nasser.
And my name is Joe Bashara, and we are from LJ Hooker, Granville and Guildford, and we are proud to present this beautifully built full brick home.
Let's take a look inside. Built over 2 levels with 2 separate living quarters, downstairs comprises of a large living space, additional kitchen, a 4th bathroom and a large storeroom with side access easily converted into a home, office or separate income. Conveniently located within easy walking distance to both Guildford and Merrylands stations and shopping centre.
And we look forward to seeing you at the open home.